Hold on. What if we found a dead body? What would you do? Ow, fuck. Is she a track star? Wearing a dress. Viva la Mexico, Mexico. I don't think I can. Ow. I have a thorn. Yeah, look. Fuck. Ow. Ugh. Seashell. I hate heights. I hate them. I hate them. I hate them. Too much of a chicken, so I can't do it. We're going back. We gotta go pee. Fuck bitches and chase the bag. That's right. I love it. Yeah? Cassie, whoever you are, beautiful. Explicit. No clue what that says. Going back. Adios.